Hey there, first graders. It's Mr. Height, your science light. Science light. It was here just a minute ago, I promise. Don't know where the light went. Anyway, as you can see, I'm today near a river. Look at all this water. You see waves and water and rocks, all sorts of different things. Can this water change the land? Can it change the rocks? I wonder. You guys can talk about that. Very cool. And how can water change the land, the Earth's surface, and things like that? How can that happen? How can water do that? It's just water, right? Anyway, we're going to look at that today. We're actually going to use a model. So I'm going to switch over and show you a model. And think about, why do scientists use models? Very interesting. So I'm setting up an erosion model. So you can see I have a pan here, and I do have some water. You can see it. There's some water down there. I already have a mountain. I started building a little mountain because we talked about mountains and we talked about volcanoes. So there's a little bit of snow on that mountain. Very cool. So this is just a model to help me understand how water can change things. So I'm actually going to put some dirt in here, make like a little beach. Whoa! So I got some dirt there, and I hope you guys can do this too at your school, or even if you're at home. You can totally do this with a pan and different things like that. You can always put extra stuff if you have Legos and buildings and stuff, which I do have actually. So I'm just going to try to get some things here on the land. I just went outside and got some dirt actually, and some water. So I'm going to make some waves with my water down here. I have the pan elevated just a little bit. It's sitting on top of something over here. Look at that. I got a couple buildings and put a couple buildings. That'd be nice to have a house right on the water, right? Wouldn't you like to live right next to the water? This guy's going to be back here a little bit. And I have Mr. Lion. Look at Mr. Lion is out at the beach today. And I have a nice tree. That's a big tree, isn't it? Very cool. So literally just made that in like a few seconds. How cool is that? So you can make your scene as cool as you want. So I have that, some beach, I have water. So if I make waves with this water, what do you think is going to happen to my land here? Is it going to change at all? Remember, I have like a mountain, sort of volcano, houses, beach, some big rocks, Mr. Lion, obviously, and a tree. So if I make some waves, what is going to happen? Let's find out after you predict. So think of some predictions. What do you think is going to happen? Okay, so let's make some waves here. I'm going to take this off a little bit. Oh, there goes my tree. Oh my goodness. So I'm making some waves. Just kind of back and forth there. Whoa. What do you see? What happened? Oh my goodness. What happened with my waves? They kind of started out kind of small. They weren't very fast, but look what happened. Oh my goodness, my tree fell down. Almost like I had a little earthquake in the beginning, which would have been a big change. Very fast change. But what did the water do? How did the water change what happened? And was it fast or slow? And can water be a fast change or a slow change? Could it be one or the other? Because if you have just like slow waves moving very slowly and hitting the beach over a long time, or if you have, in this case, almost like a tsunami or a hurricane came in and made some fast changes, didn't really mess erupting too much, which is very cool. So take a look. What did you notice? What changed? Notice some of my materials are out in the water now. The waves came in, they took out a lot of my material, a lot of the beach. And oh my goodness, you know what? I don't think that mountain is just a mountain. I think that is a volcano. And I think it's about to erupt. Oh my goodness. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's erupting. Oh my gosh. My volcano. Ah! Whoa, look what the volcano's doing. Look at the lava. It's not red lava. Could have colored it, but that's okay. Didn't have any red food coloring. And you can do that too. You can color your water red, or not your water blue, but you could, if you want to make a volcano lava, you can make that red. Oh, wow. Look what my volcano did too. Fast changes. Oh, Mr. Lion is definitely not having a good day, although he has a very good smile on his face. Anyway, so what changes did you see in our erosion table from the water, from the volcano? Things are still happening. Wow. So what changes did you see? And were they fast or slow changes? Also, think about this. Let's say I wanted to protect my beach and my houses and my tree and Mr. Lion. How could I protect them from the waves and the water, even the volcano? What could I build something or create something that would protect the land and the houses and things from the erosion and even the volcano? So take some time. You can even draw a picture of how you would protect our land here. So I hope you enjoyed our table, our erosion table, just a little pan there. I hope you're able to do that in class and watch. I bet yours is going to look different than mine. And you can compare yours with mine and see, did you get some of the same things happen or some different things happen? All right. That was a lot of fun. I'm just going to say it right now. That was pretty fun to watch. And that's why scientists use models, because I was very small. So we were able to study something very big. Like, look out behind me. That's huge. This river and all that stuff's huge. So it's very hard to study stuff that's that big. So we can use models like this erosion table to help us study something very big on a very small scale. So I hope you enjoyed that, first graders. I know I did. This is Mr. Height, your science light, which is not here right now, but I'm going to go find my light and see where he went. But have a good one, guys.